Welcome everyone. You are listening to Byte Me AI, where tech meets reality.
Welcome everyone to another episode of Byte Me AI. I'm Luna with your co-host Nova.
Hi there.
Okay, picture this. It's 2010 and YouTube is just catching fire. Or 2013, crypto's blowing up, and now it's happening all over again with AI. Don't you feel like we're, standing at the starting line of something huge?
It does feel familiar, doesn't it? The early adoption phase of new technology has always been a key moment. I remember hesitating with Bitcoin back in 2012, cautious to the point of losing a huge opportunity. Timing is everything.
Exactly. And now we've got tools that, make it so much easier for anyone to hop on this AI wave. Have you checked out Botpress? Nova. It's like the cheat code for building chatbots. No coding required.
I have. It's part of a larger trend called the no-code revolution, making AI accessible to just about anyone, regardless of technical expertise. The barriers to entry are dropping quickly.
It's so wild though, right? Someone could be scrolling Instagram one day and building a full-on chatbot the next, and charging clients crazy money for it. Businesses are literally handing over checks just to automate FAQs.
That's because automation is immensely valuable. Take Alibaba, for instance. Their AI-driven chatbot engages with over 1 billion users and handles millions of conversations daily. Imagine the cost savings in customer support alone without sacrificing service quality.
That's insane. And it's not just big companies either. Have you seen all the buzz around AI prompt books? People are selling them on platforms like Amazon KDP and making bank. Who knew prompts could be so profitable?
It's a fascinating model. Entrepreneurs essentially curate AI-generated content, organize it strategically, and then leverage platforms like Gumroad or KDP to distribute them. That scalability allows for significant passive income.
So we're at this sweet spot where AI is powerful but not overwhelming. Anyone can jump in and start carving out their little piece of the future. And speaking of businesses jumping on this AI trend, did you know they're actually shelling out $1,000 or more just to have someone set up a chatbot for them? It's wild, right? A chatbot.
It might sound surprising at first, but think about what a chatbot can offer. It saves businesses both time and operational costs. It's an efficiency multiplier. Many small businesses don't have the bandwidth to answer the same repetitive questions all day.
Right. What are your hours? Do you take walk-ins? How much for a haircut? I'd go nuts answering that all day. But here's the fun part. Someone could whip all that into a sleek, hilarious AI bot. Let's call it the stress-free salon bot.
That's actually a solid example. Chatbots like that would let salon owners focus on their clients, not customer support. And platforms like Botpress make the process incredibly user-friendly. You can create a chatbot without knowing a single line of code.
Exactly. And that's why it's so awesome. Tools like Botpress, or Flowice too, give you templates for FAQs and customer support. All you gotta do is feed the bot some basic info. And ta-da, you're basically a chatbot entrepreneur.
It's deceptively simple. The AI can even scrape a business's FAQs from their website to train itself. And for more customization, you can manually add common questions. Within minutes, you have an operational bot.
And businesses love this stuff. Did you know all this automation could even tie into WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger? People don't even have to go to the salon's website. Big companies like Alibaba figured this out years ago and are crushing it with bots that handle millions of questions. Millions. But now small businesses are getting in on the action too.
It's all about accessibility. AI tools have been democratized, and as the technology improves, it unlocks opportunities for anyone willing to learn the basics. Not to mention, it creates room for creative approaches, like bundling similar bots for multiple businesses in the same niche. One design, minimal updates, and it can serve a dozen clients.
Ooh, that's sneaky smart. Duplicate the stress-free salon bot for every salon on the block, slap on their logo, and call it a day. Efficiency for them, cash for you. It's kinda brilliant. Speaking of creative ways to use AI, have you heard about this side hustle with prompt books? It's kinda brilliant. What if someone mashed up AI-generated prompts with, horoscopes or something?
It's definitely unique. Astrology has this perennial appeal, and tying it to AI-driven personalization could tap into a niche market. People are always looking for new ways to level up their self-discovery journeys.
Right. You could totally have an AI-generated, which planet's energy should you channel at work kind of thing? Like Mercury for communication or Mars for productivity. Ugh, Nova. Let's launch this before someone else does.
I think I'll leave that to you, Luna, but it does show how creative you can get with this. A niche like astrology pairs beautifully with AI tools because it lets you combine complex ideas into easy-to-digest, engaging content.
Exactly. And then there's the whole research thing, right? Like, a small Web3 startup doesn't want to spend hours reading white papers. They just want the good stuff handed to them on a digital platter. Bam, AI research summaries.
Absolutely. Entrepreneurs need insights, not fluff. With tools like Notebook LM, you can distill highly technical data into actionable strategies. That efficiency is something businesses will pay top dollar for, whether it's for crypto trends, health studies, or sustainability solutions.
And the best part is, you don't even have to be like a total genius in the field. Just feed the AI, dress it up in a cute report with charts and stuff, and you're selling premium knowledge.
It's about bridging the gap, really. Taking raw data and packaging it in a way that's easy to understand. And as AI gets smarter, these opportunities are only going to increase for research summaries or even creative projects like your horoscope prompts.
Nova, you're totally saying we should do this, right? Like Byte Me AI branded prompt books. I'm already imagining the colors and fonts.
Perhaps you ought to lead that charge. On a broader note, though, these side hustles show how accessible AI has become, closing the skills gap, lowering entry barriers, and giving almost anyone a shot at modern entrepreneurship.
So true. It's like all these tools are just waiting for someone to pick them up and run. The hustle part isn't building the bot or writing the book. It's spotting the ideas, connecting the dots, and putting yourself out there, you know?
Completely agree. And with that, I think we've given our listeners more than enough ideas to start carving out their own path in the AI industry. It's a space brimming with potential, and there's truly something for everyone.
So, what are you waiting for? Whether it's building bots, whipping up prompts, or summarizing research, jump in, people. AI isn't going to wait around forever.
And that's all for today. Keep exploring, stay curious, and most importantly, act. Thanks for tuning in to Byte Me AI.
Catch you later, AI explorers.
You are listening to Byte Me AI, where tech meets reality. 3, 2, 1, end transmission.